Have you ever wondered just how vast the universe truly is? A question that has baffled and intrigued humankind since we first looked up at the night sky. We are about to embark on a journey that will take us beyond the confines of our blue planet and into the unfathomable expanse of the universe. Our universe is a colossal canvas painted with galaxies, each one a swirling vortex of stars, gas, and dust. Picture yourself standing on the edge of one such galaxy, the Milky Way. It's a bustling metropolis of roughly 400 billion stars. Yet this is just a mere speck in the cosmic ocean. Astronomers estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine that, 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions of stars like our own. The distances between these celestial bodies are mind-boggling. Light, the fastest thing we know of, takes about 8 minutes to reach us from the sun. But to reach the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, that same light would need over 4 years, and that's just the closest star. The size and scale of the universe are so immense they're almost impossible to comprehend. Now imagine a star so colossal that it dwarfs our sun, a star so enormous that it's hard to wrap our minds around its size. This is the largest star we know of, a true titan among the celestial bodies. Its name is UY Scuti, a red supergiant located approximately 9,500 light-years away in the constellation of Scutum. As we stand on the brink of this cosmic abyss, we are about to delve into the incredible scale of this star, to compare it with others in the universe and to truly appreciate the grandeur of the cosmos. But remember, these comparisons are just the tip of the iceberg, a mere glimpse into the vast expanse of the universe. Now, with this cosmic scale in mind, we venture towards the biggest star known to us. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're seeing but a fraction of the stars in existence. And among those pinpricks of light, there are some truly awe-inspiring celestial giants. Take, for instance, Betelgeuse. This red supergiant star, situated in the constellation of Orion, is a well-known figure in our night sky. With a radius around 900 times that of our sun, it's a behemoth that outshines our humble star by a significant margin. If you were to place Betelgeuse in the center of our solar system, its surface would stretch out beyond the orbit of Mars. Imagine that. A star so large, its circumference extends beyond the red planet, yet Betelgeuse is not the only titan that roams our galaxy. Another notable giant is Antares, the heart of the Scorpius constellation. Antares is a red supergiant, just like Betelgeuse, but even larger. With a radius around 1,200 times that of the sun, it's truly a celestial titan. If Antares were in the place of our sun, its surface would reach beyond the asteroid belt, almost touching the orbit of Jupiter. Yes, these stars are colossal, dwarfing our sun in their magnitude, but they are not the largest. That title belongs to a star that's a bit more obscure. A star that's not visible to the naked eye. Its name is UY Scuti. UY Scuti is the current record holder for the largest known star in the universe. It's a red supergiant located in the constellation Scutum, and it's so large that it makes Betelgeuse and Antares seem modest in comparison. Its size is almost incomprehensible, and we'll delve deeper into the magnitude of UY Scuti in the next scene. But even these giants pale in comparison to the colossal UY Scuti. It's a cosmic titan that truly puts the scale of the universe into perspective. Imagine a star so large it dwarfs everything else in its vicinity. This star, my friends, is UY Scuti, a red supergiant and the largest star known to us in the observable universe. Now let's try to wrap our heads around just how massive this celestial giant really is. Let's start with something we're all familiar with. Our own planet, Earth. If Earth were the size of a golf ball, UY Scuti would be a behemoth about 6 miles in diameter. That's like stacking over 31,000 golf balls on top of each other. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? But let's take it a step further. Suppose we were to line up all the planets in our solar system, side by side, from Mercury to Neptune. This line would stretch over 2.5 billion miles, yet if we were to create a similar line of UY Scutis, it would extend far beyond, reaching into the trillions of miles. And if we compare it to our sun, well, UY Scuti makes our sun look like a mere speck of dust. It's so large that you could fit over 5 billion suns inside UY Scuti. That's billion with a B, folks. Now let's think about the distance from Earth to the sun, which is about 93 million miles. This distance is known as an astronomical unit, and it's a common yardstick in astronomy. If we were to lay UY Scutis end to end, it would take about 2,300 of them to span this distance. Yet, despite its colossal size, UY Scuti is not the heaviest star. It's a bit like a giant marshmallow, incredibly vast. but not as dense as smaller, heavier stars. Even so, its sheer size is a testament to the incredible diversity and scale of our universe. When we compare UY Scuti to other celestial bodies, the size difference is nothing short of astounding. It's a reminder that in the grand scheme of things, we're just tiny specks on a tiny planet in an unimaginably vast universe. To truly grasp the enormity of UY Scuti, we need to compare it to other celestial bodies. Let's embark on a cosmic journey, starting with our very own home, Earth. If we were to scale down UY Scuti to the size of a basketball, Earth would be no larger than a tiny grain of sand. That's right, a mere speck in comparison to the colossal star. Moving on to our solar system's heavyweight Jupiter, the largest planet, it's still dwarfed by UY Scuti. In fact, you could fit over 1,000 Jupiters inside UY Scuti and still have room to spare. But what about our life-giving star, the Sun? Surely, it must be a match for UY Scuti. Not quite. The Sun, as massive as it is still only about 1/10 the size of UY Scuti. You could fit nearly 1 billion suns inside UY Scuti, a fact that truly puts into perspective the sheer scale of this astronomical giant. Moving beyond our solar system, let's compare UY Scuti to other stars. The famous red supergiant Betelgeuse is known for its impressive size, yet even this cosmic behemoth is smaller than UY Scuti, which is about 1.5 times its size. Lastly, let's look at V Canis Majoris, another contender for the title of the largest known star. While it's a close competition, UY Scuti still comes out on top, being roughly 10% larger. So, whether we're comparing it to our home planet, our sun, or even other gargantuan stars, UY Scuti stands unrivaled. It's a celestial entity of such epic proportions, it's hard to wrap our heads around it. UY Scuti is a true giant, a celestial titan that dwarfs anything else we know of. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring scale and grandeur of the universe we live in. So, there you have it. The universe is home to some truly gargantuan celestial bodies. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us from the familiar confines of our solar system to the distant reaches of the Milky Way, introducing us to a variety of celestial giants along the way. But none have been quite as awe-inspiring as UY Scuti. This supergiant star, the largest we've discovered so far, dwarfs even our sun, the center of our own little corner of the universe. The sheer scale of UY Scuti is mind-boggling. Its diameter is roughly 2,600 times that of the sun. If placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn, swallowing up all the inner planets and the asteroid belt. But as staggering as these numbers are, they're just a small glimpse into the vastness of the universe. Our understanding of the cosmos is still evolving. With every new telescope we build, with every new mission we launch into the depths of space, we're peeling back the layers of the cosmic onion, each layer revealing new wonders and deepening our awe of the universe. Who knows what other giants we might discover in the future? Perhaps there are stars out there even larger than UY Scuti, waiting patiently in the darkness for us to find them. Or perhaps the biggest giants of all are not stars but something entirely different, something our current understanding of physics can't even begin to comprehend. As we wrap up our cosmic journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of the universe. It's vast, it's mysterious, and it's beautiful. And the most exciting part, we're just getting started. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly reminded of our tiny place in this vast universe. But isn't it exciting to know that there's so much more out there waiting to be discovered?